Alright, yo, what's up everybody? Alright, so I'm gonna be doing over 50 grip tapes. I'm in the backyard, so it's a little messy, but I'm gonna show you guys all my stencils, some of them. I'm gonna do a dope montage of me spray painting over 50 grip tapes. I'm gonna stop to show you guys some techniques, some cool things, and yeah, just have fun with it. So let's go.
Missing someone with all your heart. Missing someone with heart. How much you listen, and you listen.
Yo, what's up everybody? Alright, so the battery died on the grip tape when I was doing the grip tape. So I'll probably do more grip tape later on throughout this video. For right now, I'm gonna go to the swap meet, see what's popping. Anybody else love the swap meet? If you guys don't know what a swap meet is, it's pretty much a bargain market where people sell their stuff, food, items. So it's pretty dope. So let's go check it out. Alright, got my cart, got my baby, and we go.
Look at you right now.
Look at me, what?
Let's poke my eye out. Look.
Yeah, cocoa, nice and cold. Alright, this is my kind of aisle, the candy aisle.
These are so bomb.
These are good. Manitos, manita.
They're awesome.
Oh, chamoy, that's a new one. Gansito drink.
Leche, wow. That's cool. You should
That's
get
cool,
that.
I'm gonna get this. Hormigas are good. I'm gonna get one of these. I never tried this. Well, I'm gonna get this.
Oh, I want that one.
Tenía 8 y la otra salió con 7.
I think that's pretty much it. Alright. My baby got what? Doraditas? Doraditas. Potato chips, chamoy, limon. Super good. It's just too hot out there. Way too hot. But we all got a lot of goodies.
I think we're for sure in the hundreds.
Oh yeah, for sure. My baby, looking good. We're gonna get some coffee. Twee coffee. Oh, yes. I'll show you guys what I get. I want some concha. Eating mine right now.
We got Hawkeye. Not many people are big fans of NC.
Alright, so I got lavender with oat, and then my baby got honey cinnamon with oat, and we got some muffins and conchas. Let's go. Alrighty then. So today I'm gonna be building a skateboard for a young kid for his birthday. Got a special request for that. Got some other boards I still have to ship out. And yeah, so I'll pretty much be doing a grip tape. You guys could rate my grip tape job. Everything's pretty pre-assembled on the bearings and hardware. They ordered a I forgot his name, but he's from Demon Slayer. It's not Tondro, it's not Nezuko, it's I forgot. I'll remember. Maybe in the comments you guys could tell me. But it has a pink top, which is super dope, super clean. And yeah, so let's get to it. Alright, so what do you guys think about my grip job? Did it meet expectations? Trying to get you guys a full effect on there. There you go. Yeah, so that's it right now. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use the grip cleaner. You could get this on Amazon or your local skate shop and go ahead and clean it. Alright, so the board is all done. A full complete. Oh, I forgot one thing too. I just had it. Where'd it go? Alright. He wanted a name on the grip tape, so I have to write that. Alright, just basic lettering. Alright. The white marker will dry up in there. Alright, now it's done. Full complete. I'm gonna add his T-tool, Lucky's T-tool in yellow, match that, and then I'm gonna add some stickers, and I do have some extra t-shirts to give. Alright, so I am gonna give him a t-shirt, Skyfly Skateboard. Let me know if I should bring these back. They're super clean, chest in the front. Okay, so I give him a free t-shirt on the house, and then I'm gonna hook him up with some stickers. I just gotta find them. Alright, so I found the stickers. I'm gonna give him my exclusive Steezy sticker. Super dope, super clean, and then just a random sticker pack on there for him. And that's it. So he ordered a full complete. Well, it's a birthday surprise, so I don't know if he watches the vlog or not. But yeah, so I'm gonna give him all that, and then if he ever wants to check me out, pretty sure he probably already has, or I'm not sure. I'm gonna put that in there for him, and then we're good to go. So probably put some stuffing on there, and then I'm gonna drop it off to his mother later on, so it is a surprise. So shout out Isaac, wherever you are, you're one lucky kid. All right.